This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making stir-fry chicken with leeks. I have here 300 grams of boneless chicken thighs. But you can use chicken breast if you wish. Trim away all the visible fats. And if you want a healthier dish, remove the skin. If you want a more flavorful dish, leave the skin on. I can't decide, so I'm leaving half on and half off. Cut the chicken up into finger-length strips. Marinate the chicken with 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of cooking wine, and 2 teaspoons of corn flour. I've kept my knife hand clean so that I can handle the sauce bottles. Cut up 250 grams of leeks at an angle. For the aromatics, we will need 3 cloves of garlic, and 3 slices of ginger. In a hot pan over medium heat, put in 2 tablespoons of oil. Toss in the aromatics. That's the ginger and the garlic. Followed by the chicken. Now, fry the chicken till it turns white on the outside. Add in the leeks and 70 ml of water. Bring all this to a boil, cover, and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, the chicken would have been cooked and your leeks softened. Add in the seasoning. That's 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Give this a good mix. Taste and adjust for seasoning if necessary. This is stir-fry chicken with leeks.